the big city, Scholastic. Reading with help, beginning reader, reading along, activities,
Advanced reading.
advanced reading. See, this is a picture. That's the same. Here we are, Biscuit. Woof woof. We are in the big city. We are going to visit our friend Jack. Woof woof, cuckoo. There are lots of tall buildings in the big city, Biscuit. Woof woof. Stay with me, Biscuit. It's very busy here. Woof woof, beep beep, woof. It's only a big bus, Biscuit. Woof cuckoo, woof cuckoo. Woof woof woof. Oh no, Biscuit, come back. Come back. Biscuit, where are you going? Woof, silly puppy, here you are. Woof,